Hey, what happens when you get scared half to death twice? If a fork were made of gold, would it still be considered silverware? If money doesn't grow on trees, why do banks have branches? Why do we wash bath towels? Aren't we clean when we use them? Why do they make scented toilet paper? Why do they call it quicksand when it sucks you down slowly? When cheese gets its pick, what does it say? If I save time, when do I get it back? Can you cry underwater? Something goes without saying. Why do people still say the world is a stage? Where does the audience? If tin whistles were made out of tin, what do they make foghorns out of? Why is a square meal served on a round plate? Have you ever imagined a world with hypothetical situations? If space is a vacuum, who changes the bag? If man evolved from monkey and apes, why do we still have monkey and apes? Can we spell creativity however we want? If one synchronized swimmer drowns, do all the others drown too? Why does it take 15 minutes to cook minute rice? Why aren't blueberries blue? Did Noah have woodpeckers on the ark? If he did, where would he keep them? Why is there not a special...
I don't think your lecturer will get it.